If your Bristan shower is leaking or not producing hot water, then you'll need to replace the cartridge. You can buy a new cartridge on our website, bristan.com. Here's how to fit it. You'll need the following tools: mole grips, adjustable spanner, circlip pliers, long nose pliers, flathead screwdriver, Stanley blade, Allen key, ratchet wrench and socket. Step 1. Getting started. First things first, isolate the water supply and fill the plug hole so you don't lose anything. Step 2. Disassemble the unit. Remove the unit's cap with a Stanley blade. Then use a 4mm Allen key to unscrew the bolt. Pull off the control. Then pull the shroud forward along with the spring clip. Next, use your adjustable spanner to undo the cartridge and remove the spring. Step 3. Maintenance. If you have purchased a new cartridge, then break it down and grease all the seals. Alternatively, you can purchase a seal kit from bristan.com. Do this by breaking down the cartridge, then replacing the seals one by one, making sure you remember this one. Then, grease up the seals and reassemble the cartridge. Top tip: you can adjust the temperature by turning this screw, anti-clockwise to increase, clockwise to decrease. Step 4. Reassembly. Finally, reassemble the shower.